Judge Susan Crawford is going to be on the
What?
program.
Oh,
So
wow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
the liberal candidate for Supreme Court justice. So we're asking her the important questions of the day to judge. Now we have an actual judge on the program. Chunky or smooth peanut butter. So Judge, what do you
Chunky.
want?
Chunky.
So,
You could take that in so many different directions.
right? Yeah, I know.
Hmm.
Yeah. Oh
No,
man.
no, she's going to be on, so it'll be fun. We'll ask her just you've been a candidate, obviously, and why why she's running, what her goals are, and maybe a little bit about what she thinks of her opponent Brad Schimel. Which Mark, great to see you.
Yeah.
We as former Republicans, it used to be that our former party stood for things like law and order and justice. And I think it's more than a little goofy, hypocritical that Brad Schimel, former Republican Attorney General, said on a conservative talk radio program recently that he supports letting the January 6th insurrectionists out, like this goofy guy from Pulaski, Wisconsin, that sprayed bear spray in the face of cops in the Capitol. Schimmel thinks that's okay. We'll ask Judge Crawford. My guess is she'll say something different, but we'll see. Today at I think 12:45 she's on, so that'll be a good time had by all, as they say. And
Well,
our oh, good.
it's so sad because I mean I know Brad Schimel. Like I got to know him pretty well, and 6 years ago, 7 years ago, never in a million years would he have said that. He wouldn't have said that.
Mm.
And now here we are. They've so lost their way. It's really, really sad.
Well, one of the things too is that if you listen to him on the upfront interview this past Sunday versus what he sounded like on Vicky McKenna, that is two separate human beings.
But
On
Totally different.
upfront,
Yeah.
on upfront, he sounds so poised, so measured, very logical, very reasoned.
Yeah.
But then you go to Vicky McKenna and he's saying this kind of garbage on there, and he's questioning whether juries are actually legitimate. I mean, he is undermining the entire system of law and order. And Todd, you teed it up beautifully because do you know that Harry Dunn is here in
I
Wisconsin?
heard that.
Yes,
Yes.
Harry Dunn, our J6
Mark Becker
hero.
getting it done. Guest after guest after guest.
That was
machine.
a Mod Rivera. I cannot take credit. That was all a Mod Rivera. He's amazing. Yeah.
I think it's awesome.
We're
Bunch
actually
of
doing an
Midwesterners
event.
can't
take compliments. Right. We're actually doing an event with Harry this afternoon at 10 or this morning at 10 o'clock in Green Bay at the Labor Temple. It's open to the public, so folks are welcome to come on and join us. He is an incredible speaker, so moving.
Yeah.
I mean, this guy, he's a giant man with a giant heart who is doing this because he believes in our democracy.
Yeah, really great guy.
He's
So
like 6'7"
that's awesome.
or something. He's huge. Yeah.